in it, ain't paying no parking ticket. You won't like me when I'm angry, now I'm close to livid. I find it by myself, so I don't need no backseat driver. Taxi driver, get out of my face or feel the spat saliva. They had me trapped like a rabbit in the headlights. Good to know it's over. I think they mad cause they were never put to bed.